get him? Oh, right there. Good shot. Who got that one?
He's dead. Hoping it ain't a duck.
Oh, get him.
Get ready, get ready, get ready. No, he's still swimming.
Here, I got a shot.
Get him, get him. All right, get ready. Right here, right here, right here, right here.
That's far. Oh. Come back.
Where?
Right.
I don't see him. Oh, okay. Kill him.
Over your head.
Where? Good shot. Who shot? He's still swimming. So I put another one on him.
That's a limit.
That's what I'm talking about.
Good shot.
That's a great feeling, man.
That. Good shot, man.
Thanks.
That's
Yeah, I jammed one. That's my fault.
Over.
I'm just glad I got one. Oh, right there. Two.
I can't see him. They weren't too far.
Which one of us got that one, Matt? You?
Yeah.
Good shot.
I don't know who. Was that you, John?
I got this one here, I think. I don't know. I think me and Jake fired at the same time.
Yeah, I think we might have.
I think you got it, John. Because I know how Jake shoots.
Probably, yeah, true. Oh my God.
Whoa!
I got that on film.
I hope so. We'll see.
See, I told you, Matt, the tree's gonna fall. These dives. Oh, they're not gonna fall.
Hey, John. You remember that duck hunt we went on in Kentucky?
Yeah.
And James almost got killed by a tree limb?
Remember that?
So damn good, you guys had to put me next to a dead tree.
I just heard it snapping on my dog.
I heard it go flip.
I hope you got. If you got it on film, it's going in.
Oh, let's go, man. Sure.
Good.
Oh, right there.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah.
Who? That's you?
Yeah.
John! Hey guys, and welcome back. Well, as you can tell, we're not in the field. It has been pouring down rain all morning. I got my good buddy James and my good buddy John. I've said it before in other videos. We met at the Camaraderie Rescue Mission annual Veterans Turkey Hunt. It's where we met. This is actually their first duck hunting trip. James was able to shoot 2 summer ducks the day before yesterday, and he got 2 this morning. John is second duck hunt. His first duck hunt, he kind of put the hoodoo on us, and we ended up shooting 1 duck. Who shot that, I have no idea, but I do know for a fact that this morning John did get his 2 summer ducks. That, you know, he shot them it was definitely by himself. And we got a 3, as you can see, we got a 3-man limit of Kentucky wood ducks. So we had to come back to the house. It was pouring down rain. I think I've already ruined 1 camera because of the rain. So we elected to just come back. We were soaking wet. We got some hot showers, and we decided to just do the outro right here. But guys, it doesn't matter if you shoot a limit or not. It's who you're with while you're hunting. If you're with good friends, good guys like I have here with me today, guys who have served our country, all 3 of us have. James was in the Army. John was in the Army. Of course, I'm in the middle, so I was in the Marine Corps. But they gave me a box of crayons a little earlier. That's a military joke. Somebody will get it. But it's who you're with and how you experience that hunt. The wind was blowing. It was pouring down rain. We saw 25, 30 summer ducks maybe total. We did have a flock of about 30 teal come in. We saw them too late, and the slough we were hunting was really tight. Had no idea which way they went. But again, we did shoot our limits, and we had a great day. So anyway, guys, I just want to thank each and every one of you for coming in and watching the video, and we will see y'all next time on Daddy Duck 365.